The Canon error code 1432 occurs when a printer is unable to recognize the printhead. This issue typically arises due to incorrect installation of the printhead. To resolve this error, the printhead must be installed correctly. This can be achieved by following a series of steps. Opening the top cover of the Canon printer. Closing the ink valve by moving the lever to the left. And then grasping knob A to open the printing head locking cover. The printhead should be removed carefully to prevent ink from spattering. And then reinstalled correctly. The printhead locking cover should be pushed down until it snaps into place. And the join button should also be pushed firmly until it clicks into position. Finally, the ink valve should be opened by moving the lever to the right. And the top cover of the printer should be closed. If this solution is unsuccessful, consulting a service technician for further assistance is recommended.